Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys are in a good condition. Diak belum sira bem-vindo my haunia YouTube channel. Espera katak belum sira ia kondisau nebe mak dia koto. Antes imi continue video idane. Or before you begin this video, please don't miss or forget to subscribe, active the notification bell, share, likes, and comment about this video. In this tutorial, I'm gonna point out to you how to insert the day, month, years in a short way. Ye lisaun idane atau hatudu imi. Oinsa atau hatama loron, fulan, tinan, iha dokumentus dalan nebe mak fasil. Okay. Open Microsoft Word on Microsoft Excel. Sorry, in Microsoft Excel. This is Microsoft Excel. Okay, the first is about day. For example, Monday. Then you check, okay, here, or you can press enter here, then scroll down, see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, this is the long way. Okay, mostly people use this. Okay, this is a short way. Okay, mostly people, because this Wednesday is over the line, so we need to open it like this. But you can use another way to open, to adjust the column. You can click, see here, double click here, click $, see, it's adjust by itself automatically. Okay, see, oh, this day you can, mostly the people use short way. Okay, just month, dates. Okay, here, for example, don't want to type complete month means Monday. Okay, see, okay, yes, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, or sometimes you can do like this. For example, you want column Tuesday, Wednesday until Sunday. See, okay, this is the short way in how to insert the day in a short way. Okay, now it's come to month. Okay, month, how to insert the month into the document. Okay, month. Okay, for example, January, check out here. Okay, click and scroll down until December. Okay, see, oh, for example, here Monday, you can come to this side. Okay, this is column, see here. Okay, columns, this down is columns, this side is we call rows. Here rows, for example, I want to type the month in rows. Okay, insert the months in rows. If this is already in columns, now for example, months. Okay, see, until December. Okay, see. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use a short way. For example, most people they use Jan. Okay, Jan means January. Okay, you just check out here. You can put this in columns. Until December. Okay, December. Or this one also. Insert to the columns. This is rows. You already insert into the rows. And here. Okay, until December. For example, this is about month. Okay. Okay, month. Okay, now about years. For example, okay, January and the first 2020 and check out here. Double click here. Okay, then just scroll down. Or for example here on the first 2020. Until, for example, until 21st. Oh, okay, around here. It's not complete. You can come to here, click here, and loan debt. Okay, loan debt. Click loan debt. Okay, see, all will easy for you. Okay, Wednesday, January on the 1st. Okay, Wednesday, January on the 1st, 2020. Thursday, January on the 2nd, 2020. Friday, January on the 3rd, 2020. Oh, short date. This is short date. Okay, like this. January on the 1st, 2020. January on the 2nd, 2020. Oh, you can right click here, go to format cells. You can adjust by yourself according what you want. You go to custom, click here custom, and you can delete out this one or take either of them. And D is stand for day. Okay, and M is stand for month, and this Y is stand for year, is stand for year. For example, I just type only 2. See here, only 2, only not complete, only 2020. If I type until 4, now on complete 2020. Even this month. Okay, here I type complete, then January will be complete. Okay, for example, this day I type complete, then Wednesday it will be complete. But I want, depend what you want. Okay, and you can press enter. See, Now this is complete month, okay, and complete year, and you want to can go to general and more number of format. Now go to custom. Now adjust again. For example, you want be month after month and day and date. Oh yeah, month, okay, month January, and now day, okay, then yeah, now it's not complete, okay. January on the 1st 2020, okay, see here, January on the 1st 2020, and you press enter. See, January on the 1st 2020, not complete. Okay, if you want to make it complete, or you can right click inside here, right click and format cells and change again, make it complete. Month, January, day, and here make it complete. January on the 1st 2020. See, this is complete. Okay, so thanks guys, this is the lesson for today.
Another summer day has come and gone away.